In this tutorial, we will provide an overview of the key role players in the criminal justice system: the parties to the case, judge and jury, the police, the Crown Prosecution Service, or CPS, and the criminal courts in England and Wales. Parties to the case. The defendant or defendants are the individuals who have been accused of the crime in question. The Crown Prosecution Service has the ultimate responsibility to commence criminal proceedings. As a criminal case is effectively the state taking an action against an individual, the parties to the case are the individuals who have been accused of the crime and the state. This explains why so many criminal cases are referenced as R v. an individual. R stands for Regina and represents the state. This type of case is usually pronounced, rather than R, as the Crown and or against an individual. In practice, the prosecution will be driven by the government body which is running the case, such as the CPS or HM Revenue and Customs, depending on the nature of the case. The victim, in much writing on criminal law, is often the forgotten figure, but generally every crime needs a victim. Both the prosecution and the defence are likely to have legal representation, and depending on the severity of the case, this will involve not only solicitors but also barristers and potentially Queen's Counsel on both sides of the argument. These individuals will represent the arguments of their respective clients, with those acting for the prosecution employed by the state or instructed by the state, again depending on the nature of the case or offence.